Hi everyone, today is August 17, 2022. It is now 2 o'clock p.m. and 24 degrees Celsius. We're now walking west on Front Street and I'm passing Market Street. Today's a very nice and sunny day in Toronto. A beautiful day to be out and enjoying the weather. It's funny, I just bumped into a friend that I became friends with through YouTube, and pretty cool. It's always nice to see friends when you're out and about. There's the Wildlife Thrift Store, and I think this is relatively new. I have not seen this one before that I recall. And we're now here at Church Street and Front Street. You can see some dark clouds starting to form off there in the far distance. And there's a look at the dark clouds again. And here's a Rexall. So this area is called Old Town Toronto. This is the Flatiron Building. They're doing quite a bit of work beside it, and so it looks like they're putting down tiles and, I should say, bricks there. And there's the CN Tower off in the far distance there. And we can see the mural on the back of the Flatiron Building. And in the distance here, where one can see the fountain, is Brooksea Park. Looks like there's quite a bit of people. Hanging about in Brooksea Park and enjoying the fine weather. And I just finished doing a full walkthrough tour of the St. Lawrence Market. I had a chance to explore the South Building, as the North Building is still under development and construction. I'm very eager to see what that's going to be like once the north building is finally complete. It looks like a very nice building. And here's Meridian Hall. And we can see the L Tower there. The L Tower is a very cool condominium building here in the South Core area of downtown Toronto. And Meridian Hall's got these cool lights in their entryway. And of course there's Oliver and Bonaccini Cafe and Grill. I believe that would be considered an upscale restaurant. And we're now on the west end of Meridian Hall. We're now at Yonge and Front Street. Here's the 33 Yonge Street building. And I just checked the weather app. And it says that there's expected to be thunderstorms from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock today, with cloudy conditions expected at 5 o'clock. Here at Yonge Street and Wellington Street. Here's a look west on Wellington Street, though there's a truck blocking our view. Here's a look south on Yonge. Here's a view east on Wellington. There's quite a bit of traffic east of Yonge Street on Wellington Street, and it looks like there's a lot of traffic traveling south on Yonge Street. facing King Street. Here's a look east on King Street. Here's a look west on King Street. Here's the Adelaide Courtyard. And I did a video of what it's like inside the Adelaide Courtyard, one of my previous videos. We're now here at Adelaide Street. We look east on Adelaide Street and I look west. We're now in the financial district part of the city. I'm not sure if you guys can see it from the view that you're watching from, but from here I'm able to see the LED screen at Eaton Centre, or I should say at the Dundas Square area beside the Eaton Centre. And there's Deneen Coffee Co. at 140 Yonge Street. And it looks like the patio is pretty busy. Richmond Street. Here's a look east on Richmond Street. And there's a look west on Richmond Street. clearly see the dark skies up ahead. I think I'm probably going to wrap this one up soon and avoid going that way into the thunderstorm or rainstorm. And here's a plaque for the Hudson's Bay Company. It says they're incorporated back in 1670. And we can see the old City Hall building there. This is the Cadillac Fairview Tower. And this is 2 Queen West, which is going to be a flagship retail space with a signature rooftop restaurant and premium office spaces. And I'm going to end this one here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.